Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Huel ready-to-drink versus powder. Start by checking your daily calorie goals and macronutrient needs so you can pick the best format. Think about how often you want instant meals, how much prep you like, and where you will store products. Tally weekly cost, packaging waste, and convenience to see which option fits your schedule and budget without guessing or overbuying. In this video, I will compare Huel ready-to-drink versus powder. Check labels for calories, protein, fiber, and sugar so you can match daily targets precisely. Powder allows flexible serving sizes and easier macro adjustments, while ready-to-drink gives consistent nutrition without measuring. If you need extra protein or calories, powders can be boosted, but bottles are great for predictable portions when you are traveling or short on time. In this video, I will compare Huel ready-to-drink versus powder. Quick recommendation: if you want an easy way to carry your Huel shakes or bottles, consider the Owala water bottle for dependable cold retention and a leak-proof lid that fits cup holders. It pairs nicely with on-the-go meals and keeps you hydrated between servings. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will compare Huel ready-to-drink versus powder. Calculate cost per meal and weekly expense so you know which fits your budget best. Consider the time saved by ready-to-drink bottles against the lower price and lower waste of powder tubs. Also think about where you will store each product, whether you need a fridge for bottles, and how often you want to shop or refill supplies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.